Hello friends, let us start with poems. We have seen all the prose lessons in the syllabus of the 5th semester. We have also seen some part of communication skills, and now we are turning towards poems. Poem number 1 is A Red Red Rose by Robert Burns. Let us discuss this poem. Robert Burns was born on 25th of January 1759 and he died quite early at the age of 37 on 21st July 1796. Robert Burns belonged to Scotland. Scotland, as we all know, is a part of Britain, Great Britain, United Kingdom. He was a Scottish poet and he is regarded as the national poet of Scotland. He wrote in the Scots dialect and in mainstream English also. स्कॉटलंडची इंग्लिश ही नॉर्मल इंग्लिश बोली भाषेपेक्षा वेगळी आहे. ज्याप्रमाणे पुण्याची मराठी आणि वराडी मराठी यांच्यात फरक आहे, त्याप्रमाणे नॉर्मल प्रमाण इंग्लिश भाषा आणि स्कॉटिश भाषा यांच्यात थोडा फरक आहे. सो रॉबर्ट बर्न्स wrote his poems both in the Scottish dialect and in mainstream English also. He was a romantic poet, and as you can guess from the title of this poem is also a romantic poem by Robert Burns. Before we go on to discuss the poem, can you guess the figure of speech in the title Red Red Rose? What is the figure of speech in the title Red Red Rose? Can you guess? I will pause for a few seconds so that you can answer. It is alliteration. R, red, red rose, r. It is alliteration. The figure of speech here is alliteration. Now let us read the poem. Red Red Rose, A Red Red Rose by Robert Burns. Oh, my love is like a red, red rose that has newly sprung in June. Oh, my love is like the melody that is sweetly played in tune. The poet says that his love means his beloved, त्याची प्रेमिका, is like a red, red rose which has newly bloomed in the month of June, in the summer season, the spring season. He calls his love like a sweet song or tune which has very sweetly played, which is a melody which has been very sweetly played. Here you can note, you might have noted that the spelling of love is L-U-V-E. It is Scottish dialect. The poem is written in Scottish dialect, therefore the spellings are not according to standard English, they are according to the dialect or the language of Scotland, the variety of Scottish English. That's here means that has. That's is a contracted form of that has. Newly sprung in June. Sprung is the past participle of spring. To spring means to bloom, उमलणे. जून महिन्यातच का? Because in England, June is the beginning of summer time. तिथे जून महिना हा उन्हाळ्याचा महिना असतो. बर्फ पडलेला असतं मार्च एप्रिल पर्यंत आणि त्यानंतर मे जून मध्ये तिथे वसंत ऋतू असतो. आणि इन स्प्रिंग सीझन वसंत ऋतूमध्ये उमललेल्या स्प्रंग झालेल्या एका रेड रोज सारखा माझ्या प्रेयसीचा चेहरा आहे असं तो म्हणतो. My love is like a melody that has sweetly played in tune. Melody means धुन. सुंदर एखादी संगीताची कर्णमधुर धुन किंवा जून महिन्यात वसंत ऋतूत उमललेलं फूल गुलाबाचं, अशा प्रकारे माझी प्रेयसी आहे असं तो म्हणतो. लव मीन्स लव, दॅट्स मीन्स दॅट हॅज. So fair art thou, my bonny lass, so deep in love am I, and I will love thee still, my dear, till all the seas gang dry. In the second stanza, he calls his beloved a fair lady and an attractive young woman. Bonny lass. Bonny lass means an attractive young woman. This is again the Scottish dialect. These words are from the Scottish English. So fair art thou. Art, A-R-T, art here does not mean kala. Here it means are. So fair art thou. Thou means you. You are so fair. My bonny lass, my attractive young woman. You are so fair, you are so beautiful, and I am so deep in love with you that I will continue to love you till all the seas go dry. A apostrophe the means all the. It is again a contracted form. Till all the seas gang dry. Gang means go, become. Till all the seas become dry. समुद्र सुकेपर्यंत माझी सुंदर प्रेयसी, हे सगळे समुद्र सुकेपर्यंत मी तुझ्यावर प्रेम करत राहील. जोपर्यंत सगळे समुद्रांचं पाणी आटत नाही इतके वर्ष, इतका काळ मी तुझ्यावर प्रेम करत राहील. तू इतकी सुंदर आहेस आणि मी तुझ्या इतक्या प्रेमात आहे की मी तुझ्यावर इतका काळपर्यंत प्रेम करत राहील, अनंत काळपर्यंत प्रेम करत राहील असं तो म्हणतो. Till all the seas gang dry, my dear, and the rocks melt with the sun, I will love thee still, my dear, while the sands of life shall run. I will continue to love you till all the seas become dry. समुद्र सगळे, सीचं अनेक वचन आहे, सीज. सुकेपर्यंत तुझ्यावर मी प्रेम करत राहील. आणखी कधीपर्यंत प्रेम करत राहील? सूर्याच्या प्रकाशात सगळे दगड या जगातले वितळून जात नाहीत तोपर्यंत. दॅट मीन्स दिस इज इम्पॉसिबल. द रॉक्स कॅनॉट मेल्ट विथ द हीट ऑफ द सन, बट दिस इज इम्पॉसिबल. इट मीन्स दॅट आय विल कंटिन्यू टू लव यू फॉर एव्हर. आय विल लव दी. दी मीन्स यू. अगेन दी मीन्स यू. दी, thou, art. Thee means you, thou means you, art means are. These are old English words. These are words which are called archaic words. प्राचीन शब्द आहेत हे. पूर्वी इंग्लिश मध्ये आर नव्हते म्हणत, आर्ट म्हणत होते. यू नव्हते म्हणत, दाऊ म्हणत होते. त्यांना आर्केइक वर्ड्स म्हणतात. आता आपण आर म्हणतो, यू म्हणतो. पूर्वी आर्ट, दाऊ असं म्हणत होते. Till all the seas gang dry, my dear, and the rocks melt with the sun, I will love thee still, my dear, while the sands of life shall run. Sands of life, आयुष्याची वाळू. आपण वाळूचं घड्याळ पाहतो, वरून खाली पूर्ण एका तासाभरात वरून ते खाली सँड पूर्ण जमा होते आणि मग 1 तास पूर्ण होतो. त्याचा अर्थ असा आहे, जोपर्यंत आयुष्याची ही सँड आयुष्याच्या घड्याळीतून पूर्णपणे वाहून जात नाही तोपर्यंत मी तुझ्यावर प्रेम करत राहील. दॅट मीन्स आय विल कंटिन्यू टू लव्ह यू फॉर एव्हर. आय विल कंटिन्यू टू लव्ह यू ऑल माय लाईफ. सँड्स ऑफ लाईफ मीन्स सँड्स ऑफ लाईफ. And fare thee weel, my only love. Fare thee. Thee means again you. Fare thee weel. Weel here means well. It is the Scottish version of English word well. Fare you well means goodbye. Farewell आपण ज्याला म्हणतो farewell party मधलं WELL well त्याला स्कॉटिश बोली भाषेत व्हील असं म्हणतात. And fare thee well my only love. Goodbye my only love. And fare thee well a while. Goodbye for a short time my love. I will come back again and I will come again my love. Though it were 10,000 miles. थोड्या वेळासाठी मी तुझा निरोप घेतो. तो आपल्या प्रेयसीचा निरोप घेतोय आणि त्याला म्हणतोय फेअरवेल गुड बाय थोड्या वेळासाठी फेअरवेल फॉर अ वाईल. I will come back to you. I will come back even though the distance were 10,000 miles. 10,000 मैलांचं अंतर असलं तरी मी ते पार करून तुझ्यापर्यंत येईल. सो तोपर्यंत थोड्या वेळासाठी मी तुझा निरोप घेतो. गुड बाय. I will continue to love you all my life. I will continue to love you till the end of this world. You are my love and you are like a red, red rose. This is what Robert Burns has to say to his beloved. This is basically a Scottish poem written in Scottish dialect, and this has been composed as a song also. Thank you very much. I hope you have understood the poem completely. If there is any difficulty, you can always write in the comment box and ask me.